Hey friends, if you encounter this error unarc.dll error code -11 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now here's what you have to do. First of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Okay, this should solve the problem in most of the cases, though it needs a while, so you can simply continue with your work while it scans your system. But if this doesn't help, then the next solution will be to download and install the Microsoft C++ redistributable package. So search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. Okay, go to Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, and then you can scroll down and click on this option for x86. Okay, and then you can select open. It will open the 86 version. You can select this option, I agree to the license terms and conditions, and install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.